We love Giardiniera. Giardiniera. Veggies. And in a few, we will be removing the rings, washing them, and putting them in storage. In this, I have cauliflower, carrots, celery, daikon, parsnips, onions. We got whole onions, baby onions right there, and big chunks of Vidalia. And we make our brine solution. That'll be another video. This is not the way I want to start a morning, tasting pickled stuff. But for you, I'll do it. This is some Giardiniera I canned up months ago. Oh, that's hard. Whoa! You can see it's not mushy. Delicious.